Welcome to the calendar section. Inside of this section, you'll be able to understand, book, view, and create new calendar appointments. Inside of this primary dashboard view, you'll be able to see the ability to create new appointments by clicking on the blue button in the upper right hand corner. When we click on new, you have the ability to book an appointment or block off time. When we book an appointment, we first select the calendar, choose a calendar type, enter in the appointment name. Optionally, you can add a description. You then select the date and time. The user time zone will automatically be selected depending on the account that you are logged in as. You can then select default dates in which some pre-selected time periods are allowed, or custom to give you a more granular view. Then you can select your meeting location, whether it's a calendar default in which you would have set up and pre-configured when you set up the calendar, or you can create a custom meeting location that are specific to this appointment. When you select on custom, it'll give you the ability to enter in specific details such as a link, an address, a phone number, and otherwise. On the right-hand side, you can then select your contact either by typing it in or clicking on the drop-down and selecting the particular contact that you're booking an appointment with. You can then select whether or not this is a confirmed or unconfirmed appointment, and then click on Book Appointment. In our case, the appointment is booked, but we do not see it on the calendar view yet. In order to view this, because we booked it on the Booking Request calendar, let's click on Calendars, click on Booking Request, and now we will have the proper criteria to view the appointment details. This calendar view also has the ability to link up with your iCloud, your Outlook, your Google Calendar, and pre-populate appointments on the page so that you can visualize what days and times you have available to book. Once the appointment is booked, you can then hover over those details, click on it to view and edit the appointment that you have selected. You can then click on the pencil to edit, click on the trash can to delete, click on the X to exit out of this page, and of course change the status from confirmed to a no-show or to a showed for more accurate tracking. You also have the ability to click on the primary contact link to go and view the contact details of the primary contact you have booked with. Let's click on X for now. Other options on this page include the ability to sort by day, where you can look at a day view, a week, or a month view. An alternate way to book an appointment or block off a time slot is to take your mouse, hover over the day that you want to select, and click on that day. You can then select an appointment or a blocked off time. With a blocked off time, likewise, you will select the calendar or the user in which you're blocking off time for, then select your appointment title, select the time zone, and the start date and time. You can then block off that time. In our case, we did not enter a title, but we can see the blocked off slot that has shown up on the 12th. You can then pre-select and rapidly go back to today's date if you have exited far enough away from today's date. Click on today and you will return to today's date. You also have the ability to select individual days by hovering on the calendar on the right-hand side and clicking on a particular day that you would like to fast track to. Last but not least, you also have the ability to select all appointments or just blocked off slots to filter your entire calendar view. There's an annotation ability, which will give you a brief overview of the various calendar details, whether or not there's a filled box, an outline box, and what they mean. You can also see various symbols based on the calendar type that has been booked, whether or not there's been an event error or it's a recurring event. Other details inside the calendar section include individual appointments, in which you can view all appointments, sort by calendars, by users, whether or not it is your calendar, organized by the status of that particular appointment, choose by the date added, the start date, and of course, book a new appointment. You can also view the calendar settings from this page.